It's part of our foundation. It's part of our DNA to cultivate the mind and the heart. We don't train the mind at the expense of the heart. It's not just about what we do in the classroom, but it's in our relationships and our collaborative working environment with folks in our student affairs office and in the athletics departments, our coaches and our staff all across campus, that we understand that we're trying to promote an ethical leader in a Stonehill student. And that happens in the classroom where they learn to develop leadership skills. It happens on the athletic field, certainly. It happens in our student life experience. It happens in our residence halls. And we view that as inclusive. We don't view these components as separate and distinct that don't have a relationship to each other. And in all of those places, we want them to think critically about themselves and about their world. And we know that the academic pursuits are first and foremost. And that's where they learn how to cultivate themselves intellectually and academically, how to craft an argument, how to speak clearly, how to think clearly, how to deal with controversial issues in a thoughtful and civil way. And then they extend out onto the athletic field and into the residence halls and into their internships or their externships or their study abroad opportunities. And so at every point along the way, we want students to learn how to think and act and lead as responsible citizens. And I think that we do that pretty well.